Iceland. What a fascinating country and a natural wonder of the world. Iceland is known for its stunning natural landscapes and unique geographical features, natural beauty which is stark, wild, and out of this world. The capital city is Reykjavik, which is also the largest city in the country. 6 best places to visit during winter time are Blue Lagoon, Diamond Beach, Barnafoss, Seljalandsfoss, Fjadrargálufur Canyon, and Glimmer Falls. Others are Godafoss Waterfall and the glorious Skagafoss, Stuðlagil Canyon. It is blessed with landscapes of jagged lava flows characterized by its volcanic activity, towering waterfalls, creaking glaciers, and vast, open vistas shaped over the millennia by ice. Iceland is a leader in using geothermal energy, which provides a significant portion of the country's power and heating. The aurora borealis, or northern lights, are often visible in Iceland, especially during the winter months. Iceland is home to a variety of wildlife, including puffins, Arctic foxes, and whales. Whale watching is a popular activity for visitors. The island sits on the mid-Atlantic ridge, making it one of the most volcanically active regions in the world, such as the Mýrdalsjökull eruption, Reykjanes Peninsula, Fáskrúðsfjall, Laugavegur, Mýrdalsjökull. Iceland has numerous glaciers, including Vatnajökull, the largest in Europe. Ice caves formed by these glaciers are popular tourist attractions. Visit Vik, which is a charming village in South Iceland known for its black sand beaches and dramatic coastal scenery. If you are visiting Reykjavik located on the Seltjarnarnes Peninsula, here are some things to do. Visit Hallgrímskirkja, the iconic church with a panoramic view from its tower. Explore the Harpa concert hall, a stunning architectural gem with regular cultural events. Also visit Gullfoss Waterfall, Carrad Crater Lake, Múlagjafur, Elephant Rock. Iceland is the 8th most expensive country in the world with a cost of living 15.8% higher than the US, according to Numbio's Global Cost of Living Index. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Iceland is a land of unique landscapes with a variety of things to do. Now let's look at some great places to stay in Iceland while enjoying and exploring the natural wonders. Iceland has a range of charming bed and breakfasts that offer cozy accommodations and local charm. You can enjoy a budget-friendly bed and breakfasts in Iceland. Iceland also boasts a variety of hotels, from luxury to boutique to unique stays, offering comfort and excellent service. Iceland offers a diverse range of hotels catering to different tastes and budgets. From boutique to 5-star, Iceland has some excellent choices. Iceland's culinary scene is diverse and vibrant, with restaurants offering everything from traditional Icelandic dishes to innovative modern cuisine. Focus on Icelandic cuisine with dishes made from local ingredients, often including lamb, seafood, and dairy. Here are some of the best things to do in Iceland, encompassing its diverse landscapes and attractions. Each of these amazing 10 tourist destinations in different locations offer a unique and breathtaking glimpse into the diverse beauty and culture of Iceland. Golden Circle Tour. It is Iceland's most famous tourist route. Visit Þingvellir National Park, Geysir Geothermal Area and Gullfoss Waterfall. Blue Lagoon, Iceland's most iconic attractions, renowned for its stunning geothermal salt and Reykjavik offers a blend of cultural and modern tourist experiences. Visit Hallgrímskirkja Church, Harpa Concert Hall and Laugavegur Street. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, one of Iceland's most stunning natural attractions with breathtaking views of icebergs, glaciers, and pristine landscapes. South Coast offers places such as Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss waterfalls, Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach and Sólheimajökull Glacier. Snæfellsnes Peninsula, known as Iceland in miniature volcanic, offers landscapes and glaciers. Visit Kirkjufell Mountain and Arnarstapa in Helmand. Northern Lights offers the aurora borealis during the winter months. Find dark areas away from city lights for the best viewing experience. Landmannalaugar in the Icelandic Highlands. It's a must-visit destination to experience Iceland's rugged beauty and geothermal wonders. Mývatn area offers geothermal features and rich bird life. Visit Mývatn Nature Bounds, Húsavík Whale Museum and Dimmuborgir lava fields. And, of course, whale watching in Iceland. It offers an incredible opportunity to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat.
Are you tired of wandering around aimlessly in search of a decent meal while on vacation? Picture this. You're strolling down the bustling streets of a new city, stomach growling, and every restaurant you pass seems either too touristy or too questionable. Frustrating, right? But fear not, fellow foodie adventurer. Enter Global Eateries, your ultimate culinary compass in the sea of unknown dining options. No more relying on random chance or settling for mediocre meals. With Global Eateries, discovering the perfect dining spot is as easy as a few clicks. Imagine this scenario. You're exploring a charming cobblestone street lined with quaint cafes and lively bistros. Instead of playing a guessing game with Google Maps, you simply whip out your phone, punch in the street name, and voila, a curated list of top-rated restaurants right at your fingertips. No more guesswork, no more disappointment. And here's the best part. Signing up is not only free, but also comes with a slew of exclusive perks and gifts. Yes, you heard that right. From special discounts to insider tips, we've got your back when it comes to culinary exploration. So why wait? Embark on your next gastronomic adventure with confidence, courtesy of Global Eateries. Your taste buds will thank you. Visit us now at globaleateries.com and let the feasting begin.